Hey guys, today we will prepare alternative egusi soup with sunflower seeds. If you live in a place where you cannot buy egusi seeds or you are just looking for an alternative, try using sunflower seeds to prepare egusi soup. If you want to know how this worked out, please keep watching. The full list of ingredients will be in the description box below this video on YouTube. For the alternative egusi soup, we need raw peeled sunflower seeds. And this is what they look like before peeling. I live in Spain and these are quite cheap here. I have 2 cups here and I bought them for €2 or thereabouts. First, grind them into powder with a dry mill or spice grinder. I'll be using only stockfish to prepare this soup. You can add dry fish, beef, goat meat and all other fish and meat that we use to cook Nigerian soups for swallows. Once the pot pressurizes, I set it aside to depressurize. Then separate the fish. Decant the fish stock into another pot. And remove any fish eaters. There are some stubborn ones at the bottom, so I need to do more work. Cover and leave it to boil. Add the ground sunflower seeds. Stir very well. And crush the lumps if any. No more lumps. Cover and start cooking. Reduce the heat to low. Very important. Once it boils, stir it. You can see that it is trying its best to cake, but not as much as egusi. More caking. Keep cooking and stirring from time to time for 20 minutes. Let me zoom in to show you what it looks like now. You can see that it is thickening, but not as caked as I like my egusi soup. Add crayfish, cayenne pepper, I'll add the atarodo later, and palm oil. Stir very well and continue cooking for another 10 minutes, stirring it often. I'll be using spinach to prepare this soup. I like to wilt the leafy spinach before adding it to the soup. So after a total of 30 minutes, I add the wilted spinach. Habanero or Scotch bonnet peppers, and the stockfish. I deboned the stockfish and broke them into pieces. Stir very well. The small quantity of spinach I added is intentional. You will see why later. Hey. Normally, you should add more vegetables to your egusi soup. Okay, I found out that my camera cut off here, but all I did was add some salt to taste, then covered it. When it heats up again all over, it's done. Take it off the stove. I served it with spinach fufu. Woo! That's why I did not add lots of vegetables. I already have so much vegetable in my fufu. I'll upload the recipe for that tomorrow, and the link should pop up on the screen right now if you are watching on a later date. I tell you, sunflower seeds make a great alternative for egusi seeds. My husband said he didn't realize he was eating a special kind of egusi soup till I told him. My daughter, whose taste buds are as sensitive as mine, did not notice any difference either. Else she would have asked me, "Mommy, are you sure this is egusi soup?" And my verdict, it tastes like egusi soup. I'll give this alternative egusi soup prepared with sunflower seeds a 7 over 10. Yes, it's that good. But one thing stood out for me. It did not cake beautifully like egusi seeds. I know this may not matter to a lot of people, but you guys know that I love my egusi soup to be beautifully caked. And you can see that this one is Very mushy, not my thing. Another slight thing, very teeny weeny something, is that it has a slight bitter taste, hardly noticeable. Yeah, but you can counter that by preparing this soup with spinach. I wouldn't recommend using bitter leaves to prepare this soup. Try it and let me know what you think. Alright? Alright, I have another great egusi alternative coming up. So stay tuned. Bye bye.